For years, Lucy Brydon and myself have been hosting Scottish castle art retreats in Scotland. And we really wanted to create an experience that everyone across the globe could enjoy. The lessons in watercolor, celebrating the vast, gorgeous landscape of Scotland, combined together with the magical story that's told in Outlander, of course, taking us back in time, was the perfect mix of our skills and our passions and our obsession with the Scottish landscape and the Outlander story. So we invite you into this glorious world that we have created for our students. Now, this is truly all levels. We've had baby beginners come, and the first dozen lessons are all geared towards beginners. So even if you've never done watercolor before and you've never drawn before, you can find success in this course. So we go step by step. We also tend to reuse the same supplies over and over. So what you'll need is some watercolor paper, you'll need some watercolor brushes, and you'll need some basic watercolors. We'd also love to use the pH Hydrus watercolor, which is really a super concentrated watercolor mix, but they're not required. You can do everything that we're doing with your just basic watercolor sets. And here's what some of our students have had to say. Amy says, loved this lesson. This course is just wonderful. I am really enjoying it. And from Joanna, she says, I'm really happy about how my Jamie turned out. The coolest thing is that 7 months ago, I would have told you I couldn't draw. An ad for Scotland Stones and Stories turned up in my feed, and I thought it would be a fun adventure. I have learned so much from Karen and Lucy and will be forever grateful for the spark they created in my art journey. I am having the best time. I even sold some of my art. Thank you so much, Karen and Lucy. And Marilyn says, this is the most fun project. I never thought I could do these. So, in addition to all of the watercolor and drawing lessons that you'll find inside the course, you also save money, so much money, because you do not have to buy a plane ticket to go to Scotland. I've done all that for you. I went and flew over to see Lucy, and we are going to take you ourselves on the Outlander tour so you can see the different filming locations, all behind the scenes, and laugh along with us as we take Jamie's cardboard head around Scotland on an adventure. So come and join us. We are going to have an absolute blast. And if you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, we have so much fun in store for you.
Surprise! Oh, I thought I walked in. Oh my god, Jamie's here. It's so awkward. What's happening? Hey, cancel, Jamie. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Oh, he looks hot.
So sad.
Look, you sidled up to him. Hi, Jamie lovers. We are so excited that you're here. Oh my god.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are. I booked a ticket to Scotland. I've come all this way. We've done a whole Outlander tour. We've developed such amazing cool lessons for you. Mm-hmm. We cannot wait for you to do the lessons. Come to our lives. You get to see all
our background fun and shenanigans with Jamie.
With Jamie
around Scotland.
Mm-hmm. so much. We had so much fun. We stone circles and castles and filming locations, and we're sharing all of it with you in addition to all of the wonderful lessons and all of the wonderful lives. Congratulations.
All the extra bonuses
Yes.
that you get.
You will not be sorry.
It's special.
We are not going to disappoint. And I mean, we have actual Jamie.
It's a shame you can't talk.
It is, but that would have been too distracting.
I'm very excited.
You actually have the accent.
I'm very excited, Sass and I.
Jamie. So, enjoy. We will see you on the flip side. We can't wait to see you all your lessons as you do them all, and come and hang out with us. We can't wait to get to know you and see all of your art.